Hey everybody, it's the end of the month, and that means something cool shows up in the mail, and this is the second UFO box. I'm anxious to see what's inside. I'm sure you are too. Stick around, we'll take a look. I'm Brian. You're watching BD3D. Okay, let's get started. Aha! This is our August UFO flyer showing who is sponsoring. We've got Antsy Labs, Hertz, IC3D, proto-pasta, 3D Print New York. So much cool stuff. Awesome. Whoa, whoa. Yeah. Yeah, okay, that's pretty much worth the cost of the box right there. There is apparently a Build-Tac spatula down in here. I have been wanting one of those for quite a while. Okay, so this month it looks like the Mothership prize is going to be in the box. It'll be a BL Touch. I'll set this aside for now. Thank you, Josh. Gummy worms. My daughter and I will enjoy those. We've got our box of stickers. We've got some parts for this month's project. Let's look at the stickers real quick. Let me set the box over here for a minute. Get some of these out of the way. What do we got in our sticker pack? We've got an IC3D sticker. We've got a sparkly I print with glitter proto-pasta sticker. Got a really nice Build-Tac sticker. A nice Philibot sticker. And then we've got our parts. We've got a push button, on-off push button. A 9-volt style adapter. And a little motor. So we'll find out what those are for in a bit. I will go ahead and box or bag these back up. I'm going to run out of room on my printers to put stickers. I can tell you right now, that's going to be a problem. All right. What have we? We have some Hertz metallic. That's actually a pretty interesting color. What is that? Man, that's neat looking. It's kind of a brassy, coppery sort of color. Sorry about bumping the camera. I'm all excited about my filament. That's cool. That's PETG. Ooh, some IC3D transparent PETG. I've already got a Wavy Wednesday print going in some proto-pasta transparent right now, but I think I may do another one in that for next week. Ooh, the proto-pasta tangerine orange metallic. If I remember right, that was the Tom Sanladerer color that they did at the Maker Faire in San Francisco, the Bay Area Maker Faire. And, ooh, this will be fun. Some transparent orange flexi material. I'm not sure what I will make out of something flexible from 3D Print New York, but I will come up with something. Maybe I'll do a phone case or something. That's a really nice color. Got a Chris's Basement pin. That is awesome. And now I can quit tearing up my Build-Tac. That's been a problem with me. I've gone through 2 sheets of Build-Tac in like 3 weeks because I've been using a rather sharp tool to try and separate the prints from the build tack, and some of my prints are sticking a little too well, and I've torn 2 sheets of build tack. So I'm looking forward to giving this a try. All right. Okay, folks. First impressions on the second UFO box. Is it a good value? No. It's a great value. I mean, seriously, the box is a $30 a month subscription. This tool is a $23 tool on Amazon. But not only do you get that, you get filament, and filament, and filament, and filament, filament. There's a cool Chris's Basement pin this time around. Lots of stickers. There's project parts, and there's gummy worms. I'm not just in it for the gummy worms, but I gotta say I like these. Country 3D does not like these. I like these. Keep sending these. In fact, send me his. Thank you. I know nobody really listens to what I have to say, but if you haven't subscribed to the Alien3D UFO boxes and you want to try different kinds of filaments, I recommend it. I mean, so far, it's been a great value. The first 2 boxes have been great. There's 4 really, really generous sample sizes for different filaments. There's some of these things that are hard to get in the US, like that Hertz metallic filament. That stuff's expensive to get shipped. So I'm really anxious to get playing with some of that stuff. The accessory this month was awesome. Really, I mean, this is like 90% of the cost of the box right here. And gummy worms. I'm sorry. I have to keep biting these because they're good. And stickers. A monthly print it and build it project. This is cool stuff. So, if you haven't subscribed to this and you want to try different kinds of filaments and you like printing and building things and you like gummy worms, I recommend it. I'll put a link to the UFO boxes down in the description so you guys can click that and go take a look. And really, this is awesome, man. I'm digging this box. All right, everybody, it's the end of the video, and this is where I say things like, subscribe, and share, because those 3 things really do help the channel. If you liked the episode, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, give it a thumbs down, but either way, leave a comment and let me know what you liked or didn't like. There's a link in the description to the Alien3D UFO boxes. I encourage you to go check that out. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so by clicking the BB3D icon right over here, and over here is a video that YouTube thinks you might enjoy. I've got some cool filament that I need to print some stuff out in, and I've got some gummy worms to eat. I'll see you guys next time.